How to take full page screenshot on iPhone. So, in order to take a scrolling screenshot on iPhone, perfect for capturing an entire page, PDF, or long content, here is how to do so. First of all, simply open any website or anywhere you want to take scrolling screenshot of. Now, all you have to do is simply take a screenshot. I am using the assistive touch to take my screenshot, or else you can simply do side button plus volume up and take the screenshot. Now, tap on the screenshot preview in the corner before it disappears. Then tap on the full page at the top next to the screen. Now scroll through the preview if needed. Now tap on the done option available at the top left. Then once you tap on the done, you can simply choose save PDF to files or save to your photos. Now once you have tapped on the save to photos, go back to the home screen, tap on the photos and check if the photos is available or not. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.